In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings and scroll down just a bit. Then access display section. In it, you need to scroll down again, click on Easy Mode, and tap on this gray switcher next to Easy Mode feature in order to activate it. Then adjust all of those Easy Mode options however you wish to. So now when I click on the back button, as you can see, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, you need to access the same settings and tap on the same Now Blue switcher. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!